A market in turmoil, Trump, Tesla, and the tech tremors. Buckle up, folks, because the markets are having a meltdown, and it's messier than a raccoon in a confetti factory. We're talking stocks plummeting, Bitcoin doing the hokey pokey, and Elon Musk losing more money than a gambler who accidentally wandered into a casino with their life savings. And you guessed it, Donald Trump is somehow right in the middle of it all. So what in the blue blazes is going on? Well, it seems like the honeymoon phase between Wall Street and the Trump administration is officially over. Remember all that talk about the Trump bump in the stock market? Yeah, that's gone the way of Trump steaks and Trump University. Investors are starting to realize that trickle-down economics works about as well as a screen door on a submarine. And then there's Tesla, the electric car darling that's been losing charge faster than my iPhone on a Netflix binge. It turns out that even the most dedicated Elon Musk fanboys are starting to get a little nervous about the company's future, especially with Musk seemingly more focused on tweeting conspiracy theories than actually, running a multi-billion-dollar car company. But wait, there's more. Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that everyone loves to hate, or hate to love, depending on the day, is on another one of its infamous roller coaster rides. Is it a revolutionary technology or a speculative bubble waiting to burst? Your guess is as good as mine, but one thing's for sure, it's making a lot of people very, very nervous. Trump's policies, a market drag? Let's be honest, folks, Trump's economic policies have always been about as clear as a mud puddle. One minute he's promising to make America great again, the next he's starting trade wars with China and slapping tariffs on everything but the kitchen sink. It's enough to give even the most seasoned economist a migraine. And what's the result of all this economic chaos? Well, the stock market is in free fall, businesses are freaking out, and even the wealthy elite are starting to sweat. Remember all those billionaires who showed up to Trump's inauguration like they were auditioning for a spot on Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous? Yeah, they're not looking so smug now, are they? Tesla's troubles, Musk's gamble. Now let's talk about Tesla. Once the darling of the tech world, Tesla is now facing more challenges than a one-legged man in a butt-kicking contest. Sales are down, production is lagging, and Elon Musk is starting to look more and more like a man who's in way over his head. And to make matters worse, Musk seems to have hitched his wagon to the Trump train, which, as we've already established, is currently careening towards a cliff at breakneck speed. His recent decision to move Tesla production to the US, a move widely seen as a desperate attempt to curry favor with the Trump administration, has only added fuel to the fire. Bitcoin's wild ride, a sign of the times. And then there's Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency that's been giving investors heart palpitations since its inception. After reaching dizzying heights in 2024, Bitcoin has come crashing back down to earth, leaving many investors wondering if the party's finally over. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Is it destined to become the global currency of the future? Or will it go down in history as the biggest Ponzi scheme of the 21st century? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be a wild ride.